name is Dr. Muhammad Iltaf Hussain. I am a veterinarian and today we will discuss role of a veterinarian. So veterinarians are doctors like those working on human medicine but in a different field. As a matter of fact, the veterinarian curriculum is much more diversified than human medicine because of the amount of different species and physiologies the veterinarians have to deal with. Most veterinarians contribute directly or indirectly to public health goals and outcomes. Veterinary public health contributions can be categorized into six core domains described as diagnosis, surveillance, epidemiology, control, prevention, and elimination of zoonotic diseases. A veterinarian may work in a diagnostic laboratory where he can recognize resurgent infectious diseases and developing novel therapeutics and carry out research and diagnosing efforts in the diagnostic laboratory. A veterinarian may also work in a biomedical research. What is biomedical research? So it is a causal link between human and animal disease. It is an interaction among the host, parasites, vectors, pathogens, and environment. Molecular studies, mathematical theory, and experimental epidemiology also come in the category of biomedical research. A veterinarian also work in a health education and extension for this type of education extension. National academic institutions are there where veterinarians are working. The veterinarians mainly educate the public and farmers about infectious and non-infectious diseases. Veterinarian also work in the production and control of biologic products and medical devices. Ensuring that animal drugs, vaccines, and devices are safe and efficacious is a shared responsibility between the FDA, the USDA, and the EPA. The FDA, specifically a Center for Veterinary Medicine, regulates animal drugs, animal feeds, and veterinary devices. The USDA regulates animal vaccines and biologics. The EPA regulates others. A veterinarian may also work in a government or legislative activity. There is the veterinarian are responsible for protecting the livestock, poultry, and aquaculture industries directly and public indirectly through the prevention, early detection, containment, and eradication of economically important livestock, poultry, and fish diseases that in many cases are transmissible to people. Legislative. In a legislative, a relatively small number of veterinarians are surveyed at various levels to promulgate laws, rules, and regulations to protect public health, domestic preparedness, and national defense. Veterinarians also care for the health of livestock, poultry, pets, and animals in zoos, race clubs, or animals with the government's animal husbandry departments. The veterinarians also vaccinate animals against diseases, medicate animals suffering from infections or illness, treat wounds, and set fractures by performing surgery. Veterinarians also advise about animal feeding, behavior, and breeding. Veterinarians also work in the controlling and prevention of zoonotic diseases and carry out research. Large animal practitioners often visit to the farms to treat the animals. Veterinarian's office is just like a hospital with a full pharmacy. Veterinarians also help human doctors by testing different medicines on animals. In clinical practice, a veterinarian often work long hours, and the veterinarians also provide consultation to the farmers and public, safeguarding our national food supply. Veterinarians are dedicated to maintaining and promoting animal health. A veterinarian carries out many responsibilities as diagnosticians, surgeon, pharmacist, dentist, radiologist, and orthopedic surgeon. Veterinarians risk being bitten, kicked, or scratched when working with animals. Another risk is being infected with different zoonotic diseases like TB, brucellosis, rabies, tetanus, cholera, etc. Veterinarians working in non-clinical areas such as public health, directorate, and research. some work in basic research while some work in applied research. So these points show the importance of a veterinarian and the role of a veterinarian. So that's all about the role of a veterinarian, and in next video we will meet soon.